Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study microbiology for your BDS program. We'll start by emphasizing the importance of grasping core concepts like bacterial morphology and viral life cycles. It's crucial to identify the most common oral pathogens and understand how they cause disease. Using visual aids, such as detailed diagrams, can significantly enhance your learning. Remember to consistently review material to build a strong foundation. To master microbiology, establish a consistent study routine, perhaps 2 to 3 hours each day. Flashcards are incredibly effective for memorizing the vast number of microbial names and their key features. Don't just read. Actively draw out complex processes like metabolic pathways or immune system responses. Collaborating in study groups can also provide new perspectives and help clarify difficult concepts, making learning more interactive and engaging. It's vital to link your microbiology knowledge directly to clinical dentistry. Think about how different microbes cause oral infections and how antibiotics work against them, including understanding resistance. Grasping sterilization and disinfection principles is also paramount for patient safety in a dental setting. Integrating this subject with oral pathology and pharmacology will provide a holistic view, preparing you for real-world challenges. For effective exam preparation, utilize recommended textbooks and reputable online platforms. Solving previous year's question papers is an excellent way to familiarize yourself with the exam format and identify frequently tested areas. Make sure to attend all lectures and practical sessions, as they offer invaluable insights and hands-on learning. Focus on high-yield topics to maximize your study efficiency and ensure comprehensive coverage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.